My vocal coach has made such a huge impact on my life. I needed someone to push me farther than I could push myself. And she's helped me far beyond anything I ever imagined. One of the things that she's reminded me of is that my voice deserves a lot of care and attention. And I only get one voice. It's not like I can get surgery to get a new one like you can for a knee replacement. I had gotten kind of lazy with my exercises and routines, and I was honestly having trouble with my voice. I felt like I couldn't depend on it. She's been helping me get back on track, and I've grown leaps and bounds. I've spent the better part of the last 20 years vocal coaching young people and worship leaders. I don't have the experience and expertise that my coach does, but one thing I have to hit home over and over again is the importance of regular exercise for your voice. Sunday morning is like a marathon, and if you don't train at all in between, what do you expect to happen? Would you run a marathon with no training? Probably not. It wouldn't be very wise. So why do we do this to our voices every week? Without proper care, you will eventually run into issues. Hopefully none that are irreversible, but why take that chance? So I'm gonna give you 3 basics to get you started. These are 3 practices that are really important for the health of your voice. Number 1, warm up every single day. Find an exercise regimen and make it a habit. You can do it in your car, you can do it a lot of places, but at least 20 minutes a day. This is your job. Don't let the busyness of the day-to-day take it over. Make it part of your day. Number 2, learn what a cool down is. Warming up your voice is equally as important as cooling it down at the end of the day or a big set of Sunday services. Number 3, don't sing only on rehearsal night and on Sunday morning. Please exercise your voice at least 5 days a week. Is it something more to do? Well, yeah, it is, but can you find time to watch your favorite show or 6 of them? You can find time to do 20 to 30 minutes of vocal exercising. You will walk into Sunday mornings feeling more confidence, and you can lead with strength, not worried that your voice might give out. But you have to do the work. There are countless strategies, but this will get you started. Congratulations, you've taken the first step toward clarity in your worship leadership, but let's keep it going. This video is just a glimpse of our signature course, the Overflow Worship Leaders Startup Toolkit. It's your strategic guide to leading your ministry with confidence. Are you ready to become the leader that you'd want to follow? It's time for your next step now. To get immediate access to the full course and start today, click the link below.